How to join invite-only Threads group. Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure to join invite-only groups on Threads app. So now then, to begin with, you could open the Threads application on your device. So basically what you have to do is to join the invite-only groups on the Threads app are actually group chat, which functions as a private invite-only direct messages or message threads with a multiple participant. In order to join one, you must be invited by an existing member. And since there is no public directory, joining a Threads group chat depends on your connection. To increase your chances of being added to one, you have to ask the member directly or build your network on the Threads or engage with the relevant communities on other platforms, and only then you'll be able to join invite-only Threads group. So this is the basic criteria you have to follow. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.